Virtual Train and Simulation is activated. This course was designed to improve your survival skills during a tsunami. A tsunami is basically a series of huge waves caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, underwater landslides, and even asteroid falls. Hey, what are you doing? Although you're completely alone here, it's not an excuse to misbehave. This session will be recorded and evaluated. Alright, let's start the class. Beware, it's gonna feel very real. But you're completely safe here. Can you see the exposed seafloor? Water suddenly turned towards the ocean. This is one of the major tsunami signs. You need to get out from the shore as soon as possible and climb higher. Rhythmic water splashes and unusual roaring sounds can also be the signs of an upcoming tsunami. Another clue is the bubbling, swirling waves near the shore. The oncoming wave is the first stage of the tsunami. The next waves usually arrive in about 10 minutes, and they're much higher. You need to run at least 3 kilometers away from the coastline and rise to a height of 30 meters above the sea level. By the way, a record-breaking powerful tsunami occurred in Lithia Bay in Alaska on July 9, 1958. The wave length reached 1,719 feet. But don't worry, our train in tsunami is not that epic. Oh, everyone falls for the trick. Never touch electrical gadgets during a tsunami, especially if they're wet. Going up on an elevator is a bad idea. Electricity can break any time. Use the fire escape. Ideally, you gotta climb a mountain. But if you can't reach it quickly, choose the highest building and climb on the roof. Of course, it's not the safest option since the waves can easily destroy the building, but it's better than nothing. Remember, this isn't real. There's no one in these cars. Congratulations! You've passed the tsunami test on the first attempt. Now try to remember those skills.
The virtual helicopter tour. We'll see the most picturesque sights of the city, although this place isn't real, and neither are its citizens.
Oh, wow! What a view! Looks like a tsunami is coming.
Oh my cat, you're right. We should get out of here as fast as we can.
Please, tell me that this copter can handle a tsunami?
Don't worry, it's recommended to hide from tsunami waves at a height of at least 130 feet above sea level, and the record height that copters can reach is about 7 miles. Well, at least this city is just a simulation, and no one got hurt.
Hey, where did that fog come from?
It was formed when the wave hit the shore. By the way, the second wave may come soon, and the third one.
Then we should leave. But wait, can't we save those guys on the roof?
Of course. Hey guys, over here! Hurry up!
What a tsunami!
Don't call me that!
No, babe! It's the real thing! Look! The wave is coming! Wait a sec!
Babe, I'm so sorry that I let you down. I didn't pay attention to your feelings. I skipped dinners with your mom because she hates me. But I love you. Can you please forgive me?
Okay. I guess we can work it out.
Oh, what a serene morning. Whoa, good heavens. The meteors. Hold on. I need to move, and fast! I don't like this, but hope this route will work. Stay calm, buddy. All right, what's the next step? Seems like it's my only way out. Let's take this path. It's about to collapse. The world's falling in on itself. I need to reach fire escape ladder. Hope the worst has passed. Wow, that was a close call, thank heavens. I got to move on. Thank goodness. Oh God, it's falling apart! I'm okay. Gotta move on. What is that? A tsunami? Wow, this is definitely my day.